Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn your Galaxy Note 3 into a Galaxy Note 5. Let's go do this, baby. So I've got my Note 5 on the left and Note 3 on the right. This one is the DarkLord Note 5 ROM, basically a ported ROM. So you get all of the features of Note 5 except for stuff like fingerprint sensor and anything that requires the Note 5 hardware. So everything as far as software, you can do everything that you can do on the Note 5. So let me go ahead and demonstrate some of it. First of all, if you do home screen, you'll be able to change your grid size, get new themes if you want. Alright, second of all, let me go ahead and show you the quick settings panel here, exactly like the Note 5. I mean, it is based on the Note 5, so it is exactly the same. Some cool stuff I can show you. So with the Note 5, you get this off-screen memo that you can use. Alright, hello. And if you close it, it will automatically save that memo. Alright, with the Note 3, you can also make use of off-screen memos, which is really nice. Off-screen. Boom shakalaka, baby. Alright, there's also an APK file you can grab to get that on any Note 3 or Note 4 running TouchWiz. Okay, performance is actually pretty good. And also this one also comes rooted. As you can see, I've got Super SU running. Also, you can install it. I've got it installed on my SMN9005. Also, you can install a bunch of other models. I'll show you. I've actually got it running on my T-Mobile Note 3 also. Alright, this ROM also comes with Viper for Android working out of the box. That's awesome. Alright, another cool feature with this ROM is that you can actually control your TVs with the IR Blaster on the Note 3, whereas the Note 5 can't. So in terms of that, and micro SD card and removable battery, also 1080p screen versus 1440p screen. The Note 3 with this ROM virtually can be better than the Note 5. Now you also get the Note 5 camera, which is really nice. Most of the features are actually working. The only thing that's not working are stuff like manual focus and manual mode. But as far as just being able to use as a camera, you'll get a lot of the features from the Note 5, which is very nice. Look at that, baby. This is actually a camera off the Galaxy S6, so you won't get the live broadcast option. This is really cool. I know. Alright, as far as performance on this ROM, it's not bad. It actually is a stock kernel. Performance would be a lot better with a custom kernel. And I'll post another video on my other channel, High on Android, with the custom kernel with overclocking. That'll make it just as fast as a Note 4, not a Note 5. Let's also go ahead and dig into the settings here. Let me go ahead and show you the Note 5 versus the Note 3 running Note 5 ROM. Obviously, you'll be able to get Samsung Pay on the Note 3 also, but you will only be able to make payments using NFC, not MST. Alright, since also it's rooted, you will have to use Root Cloak to get by to use Samsung Pay. I'll have another video on that also. As far as the S Pen functionality, you'll get all of this over here. With the Note 3, you will also get all of these different functionality with your shortcuts, S Note, screen write, all that good stuff. This is awesome. Alright, one thing that this ROM also does is that it gives you S6 Edge plus features. You can go ahead and swipe here. You can go ahead and use People Edge. If you swipe, you can go ahead and access your shortcuts. So in that sense, this ROM makes your Note 3 better than the Note 5. It's freaking awesome, baby. So here is proof that root and custom ROMs will make your phone better. Alright, let's go ahead and try some multi-window features. With this ROM, you can make any of your apps multi-window. With the Note 5, this is a stock ROM, you can only make certain apps multi-window. As you can see, there's no buttons for the calculator. But you can actually make any of these into multi-window, which is really, really nice. Alright. This one, you can only do certain apps. You'll be able to do all of them with root and custom ROM on the Note 5 also. But I'm just saying, this ROM makes your Note 3 more functional than the Note 5. It is just awesome, man. Alright, it's a pretty awesome ROM. Battery life is pretty good. Performance is excellent. It can be a little bit better, but there are hardware limitations of the Note 3. But this will get you on the right track. Even if you can't afford the Note 5, you can make your Note 3 into Note 5. So let me go ahead and show you how to install this ROM. First, make sure you go ahead and download the ROM. Put it on your phone. I recommend downloading on Wi-Fi connection, preferably on your computer. And then after that, turn off your phone. Of course, you have to have a rooted Note 3. with twerp or clock mode recovery installed. If you don't know how to do that, go to galaxynote3root.com. I'll have the links in the description. Next, we're gonna go ahead and boot into twerp recovery, volume up, center, home, power button, and you can see I'm running SMN9005. And this will show you all the different phones you can install on. All right, next, you don't have to actually do wipe. It comes with an Aroma graphical installer. So go to install. I'll go ahead and find the ROM file, which is the DarkLord N5 blah blah.zip. Swipe to confirm. This will bring up Aroma installer. All right. And you can go ahead and choose English here. Next, next, agree, next. All right, here are all of the models you can install on. Now, just a note, you can install, for Canadian, you can install with the T-Mobile version as they're fully compatible. With the T-Mobile version, the NFC is broke because this is an international ROM, so you'll not be able to use your NFC, just to make a note of that. But everybody else should be fine. You can install on Note 3 Japan, Note 3 International, SMN9005, and 900W8. Actually, you can install the Canadian one there. Also, Note 3 Korea, Note 3 T-Mobile, Sprint, and even Galaxy J. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna go ahead and choose international here. You can do a full wipe if you want to, or you can do update. Since I've already installed it, I'm just gonna do update. You can choose your country code, or you can just go with the default, which is fine for most of you. Kernel is stock, Viper 4 Android, that will give you Viper 4 Android. You can also choose between Note 3, Note 4, and Galaxy S6 camera. And also you can get Festival Effect if you want. I do recommend the Galaxy S6 camera. If you're having trouble, you can rerun this installation program and reinstall Note 3 or Note 4 camera. Alright, next, and install, and that's pretty much it. This is an exciting ROM that's going to convert your Galaxy Note 3 into a Note 5. As far as all the software features, you'll be able to get it. This is not some hack job. This is an actual port. Somebody took the Note 5 firmware and made it compatible with the Note 3. So definitely check it out if you have a Galaxy Note 3. And I know the developer of the DarkLord ROM put a lot of hours to make this. So if you end up using this ROM as daily driver, don't forget to go back and donate to the developer of this ROM. I'll also have donate links to the developer in the description. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my new Note 5, Note 3, Note 5, Note 3 converted into Note 5. And I hope you guys have a great day. Have fun with this ROM. This is a very good ROM. I highly recommend it if you have a phone that supports it. If you have AT&T or Verizon, you're probably out of luck. I would just switch carriers, as I could tell you like a million times. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+, Instagram, Periscope. And as always, stay